Kind of warm today, huh?
Yep, it's great.
It's been a while to have good weather like this.
Are you recording?
Yeah.
Now, if you want to, you can hold it down like this.
And what happened?
Here, like this, watch. Hold it like this. You can hold it like this.
But then we see all the flour only.
No.
It moves too much.
See, the house you're talking about is go down that street that's on the lot there. On one of those streets.
Yeah, somewhere there.
See, there's all those little houses there on the right. You see over there, the little hill?
Uh-huh.
See those little single stories?
Yeah,
Those have nice views.
of course they do.
And the ones further up,
Yeah, those has the best view.
but there's like there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 little single stories that have a nice view out.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. Can we cross here? Yeah, we can cross here. We don't have to go all the way down.
That
See if Nick can go, because sometimes there is
this way.
snakes.
Come on.
Let me take care, Carrie. Careful. Go slow, because this little paw might hurt in these rocks. Look out for the snakes. Mm-hmm.